Poor People Production presents WWP, a hit single from realrasimaric and ol3nce. Worldwide peace. Get it on all digital networks, iTunes and all other platforms. Stream it today. Contact Poor People Production 1-876-808-6301. Murder.
To the south, to the east, Europe in the Middle East. Take the violence out the streets, I'm begging you please.
You are my best friend. I don't ever want our friendship to run. Lion and Lioness viewers and subscribers, you are heaven sent. You are the reason I am vlogging again. Blessed love, my papes. So I go on, I don't know a lion foot, you know, but they are back on again. Big up each and every one, Insta Spy, White Shadow. You know what I mean? Jetty. So I say big up B to the K TV in Miami. Everybody big up on the platform. Right now, I'm there again. I know them shut me down for a week because put something on the platform. Pertaining to the people, I'm you the people, because I don't know how do I do it for help and uplift and educate and highlight and informed. Stay motivated. So right now, I'm back again. And I no feel no way, you see me? Because I know I do the right thing. It helps sending out the message to the vulnerable ones and the ones that I can speak. You see, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know how vlog on the go now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell and share. You know what I mean? Big up the silent viewers, them, watchers, them, and the active ones, them. See, my viewers and subscribers. Now, as I see the title, violence increase. Be careful. You know, this is a, you know what I mean, we see a whole heap of things are going on right now, the crime rate in Jamaica. You know what I mean? Just like get higher, you know what I mean? It's evolving and non-stop. And it's all based off all the scamming. You know what I mean? And also, the turf war and all of them things. They know the money, the scamming, inveigle the youth them and make them feel like them untouchable. And, you know, them just kill off them one another. I don't know why them don't live together. And, you know, make them money, whatever means what them do to make them money. And just having a nice vehicle, on a big ride, on a big house, on clothes and shoes and woman and all of them things there. Why you not just make the money and them kill off them one another? I don't get it. You know, I just don't get it. Them say money are the root of all evil. See, I don't get it. My view, my kings and queens on the platform. You can comment in the comment section and let me know. You see me? Because the youth don't make them money, you know. And you don't know the scamming thing now, go stop the lottery scamming, you know. And I want to say, yo, I'm sending my sincere sympathy on the victims them. You see me I say? Zine, we not tolerate that, but at the end of the day, I'm going to do what I'm going to do for survive and, you know what I mean, make ends meet. But my issue is where them kill off from one another, and we see a lot of senior citizens are facing it right now. They might feel it, can't get squawk or catch a shot. Where there are two different quadruple murder took place. Zine, and now again, last week, 2 senior citizens were taken out. One is 61 years old and I think a 63, yeah, or 65. And a 19-year-old on the scene who was battling for her life. I hope she's okay and is recovering slowly. But condolence to the senior citizens' families them. You see what I say? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. It's sad, man. I don't know what I go up, but it's not a good look. You know? And as I say, the youth them can make them money and just live and enjoy life. Why them feel worried them one another and I buy up this whole heap of gun and them things? My viewers and subscribers, me know what to think. You don't know me the man of peace, you know. That's what I say. And this is just a warm up, so I'm just saying it's nice to be back, to be interacting with you guys, and again we have some interesting topic to come on the platform, you know what I mean? Hopefully some more interviews, you know what I mean? So big up on the jam myself, and I don't know before I go, I want to stay safe, my fellow Jamaicans, wherever you are in the world, local and abroad, internationally. Zine, do the right thing and big up the UIC party, you know what I mean, Mr. Patterson, Joseph Patterson, you know what I mean? There's a new party right now where say them are for the people, and I hope they mean it because I don't know politics go. You see my viewers and subscribers. So big up on the damn self, and you don't know. I'm going to leave with a freestyle. Like this is one of my single I'm going to drop soon. Violence increase. Be careful. See? So you can tell me which one of them titles I can use. Be Careful or Violence or Increase. After I listen to the song. Let me know what you think. Say, big up on the day myself, all up love. Say, cool shites. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You see, if you see that video on your phone, pass it on. If you stand for something, peace, love, and unity. If you see it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, share it on. If you stand for peace, love, and unity, and for something. Yeah, man. Don't ignore. Violence I increase. The youth them find it hard to live in peace. Every day someone bloodshed on the streets. A male body lighter than the cold concrete. Violence I increase. The youth them find it hard to live in peace. Every day someone bloodshed on the streets. A female body lighter than the cold concrete. Be careful or you go downtown. West Kingston, it is a gun zone. When war go on, you hear all type of gun sound. Mere people are dead, some of you run left them home. They like cream and Kylian back to Painland. Them war every day like say them they are Vietnam. Look how close you have once be a police station. Still people are dead, the shot at them no give a damn. Take a look at over Portmore. Over there so used to nice, it no nice no more. Man, no man and fitness collaborate. Man, I kick off door when I kill people in them sleep or snore. Me said the crime rate is rising. The senseless killing I'm criticizing. Me no know some people find it enjoying. But to me, myself and I, it is so damn and now in violence I increase. The youth them find it hard to live in peace. Every day someone bloodshed on the streets. A male body lighter than the cold concrete. Violence I increase. The youth them find it hard to live in peace. Every day someone bloodshed on the streets. A female body lighter than the cold concrete. Give me no man. Me a pray for all the shatters with the AK on them chest. Me a pray for all of the suckle in them on the breast. Me a pray for all the emperors and all the empress. Me a pray for all the lion them and all the lioness. Yes, me want the war for and that is why me a protest. Peace and love, me want to see the progress. Life is sweet, oh yes. I live my life clean, that is why I'm so blessed. Yes, I said I'm crying for peace, but some not show no interest. In a guns and bullets, no for them I invest. The devil them I try to impress, but what be unto them not get no forgiveness. Every day a funeral take place, a dove cut and made the rest. People are end up mother, father, sister, brotherless. The whole Jamaica is in a mess. The youth them turn the place in a wild, wild west. Violence I increase. The youth them find it hard to live in peace. Every day someone bloodshed on the streets. A male body lighter than the cold concrete. Yeah, man. We say stop the crime in Jamaica. The crime and violence right now is so atrocious in Jamaica. You know, all of the youths them make on the money, having a nice car, on a whole heap of girls and on a big house, on and off your kill off on one another. Yeah, man, Mr. Country and Kingston, Mobile, Ochi, Portland, Tivoli Jungle, Rima. Tired for read about killing and murder in the Star and the Cleaner. Zine, Mr. Mackay Lane, Painland, Crescent Road, 2 mile, 3 mile, 9 mile. Stop the crime, please. Yeah, man. Pass it on if you stand for something. Peace, love, and unity. Don't ignore it. Share it. Share if you care.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Enough times we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot and close. In a shame for that.
Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe. Gone, walk good. I'm out. God bless you.